When sailing the oceans, you will see a lot of wildlife. I personally especially love sea mammals of all kinds, and I'm always deeply touched when I sight whales or dolphins. It seems they really have a special connection to us, but it's not always easy to identify what you see. Very often, you will see just a part of the animal or will just see them from far away, which adds to the challenge. In this video, we want to show you how you can identify a short-beaked common dolphin. The short-beaked common dolphin is a medium-sized dolphin of 1.5 to 2.5 meter length and lives in groups from a dozen to more than 1,000 individuals. They are playful at the surface and love to breach and porpoise. They are very curious and love to interact with people. It is the coloring that gives the common dolphin away. It has a black back and a white belly, whereas there is a grayish or yellowish hourglass pattern on both sides. They have a distinct black eye stain and a large central blowhole. The dorsal fin is large and triangular with a distinct hydrodynamical shape. The short-beaked common dolphin occurs throughout tropical and warm-temperate waters in the Atlantic and the Pacific. Sailors and sea dogs wish you happy whale and dolphin watching.